Hey there, it's Jocelyn with Musically Minded, and today I have a really fun song that you can play on the ukulele. You know, we're going to pair a very popular book with you playing the ukulele. I'm going to tell you that when you bring music to reading, you make that learning experience even more exciting and engaging. So today's book is Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. Now to play this song on the ukulele, you're going to need to know how to play two chords, D and G7. So first we're going to start with the D. So for D, you're going to take 1, 2, and 3. That's fingers 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to go over to the second fret. And you're going to play the top string with your 1, the second string with your 2, and this third string with your 3. So they're all hanging out right inside that one little fret right there. Make sure they're stacked right down the line so that you're not hitting any other notes and you're staying within these 2 fret bars. All right, so we got D. How's it sound? Try it out on your end. All right, and then the next chord we're going for is G7. So for G7, guess what? You need those same 3 fingers, 1, 2, and 3. Now number 1 finger is gonna go in the first fret, 3rd string. Number 2 finger is going to go in the 2nd fret, 2nd string, and that 3rd finger is going to go on the 2nd fret, 4th string. So it sounds like this. All right, so we've got D, and then we're going to move to G. And that's all you need to play this song. Now, here's the thing. When you start a song, it's very important to make sure you start on the right pitch. And so for this one, I want you to be able to find where that pitch is at. Because let me tell you, if you don't get started on the right pitch, the song never quite sounds the same. So for this one, the first note can be found by going to your 2nd string and your 2nd fret. You're going to play just that single string just like this. And that's the first pitch in the song. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna do a simple strumming pattern, just strumming down. I love my white shoes. 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 So it's pretty consistent. You just go between the 2, the D and the G7. And then you just change the color as you go throughout the story. I really encourage you to have your kids sing along with you as well. Now, if you want to get the chord sheet for this song, just make sure right down below, click on that link and it'll take you there. I also teach teachers just like you how to play the ukulele. Go ahead and join that wait list and I'll let you know when the next class opens. All right, until I see you later, have fun and make lots of music. It's a great way for kids to stay engaged and learning.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to check that subscribe button so you're always up to date on all of our new videos. Thank you again, and we'll see you soon.